Hello guys, this video tutorial demonstrates how to read a potentiometer value in a PLC and use it as a reference for the set point. In this example, I use a Schneider M241 PLC aligned with the TM3AI4 expansion I/O module, which features 4 analog input channels configurable for either 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 volt inputs. Since this analog module is passive, a 10 volt DC power supply is required to connect the potentiometer to channel 0. The potentiometer's middle pin, which provides a variable signal between 0 and 10 volts, is connected to I0 plus. The tutorial explains how to configure the module using SoMachine software. To set up the module, go to the Device Tree tab, right-click on the I/O bus and add the analog input module. In the I/O configuration, select the 0 to 10 volt range and take into account that 10 volts corresponds to a value of 10,000 in integer format. In this example, the potentiometer is used to set the motor driver frequency with a maximum value of 50. To achieve this, the value 10,000 must be divided by 200, resulting in 50. Finally, after downloading the program, we can observe the results. Thank you for watching this video.